Mazi Kelechi, I see you there. Godson, I see you there. Mickey, I see you there. You are welcome. Let me share. Thank you very much, my people. As you are joining, Emmanuel, I see you there. Eze Bube, I see you there. Mazi Chidi, Chris, I see you there. Obina, Obi, I see you there. Please, as you are joining, share, invite our people to join us. Thank you very much, my people. As you are joining, Emmanuel, I see you there. Welcome, my people. Welcome, welcome, welcome. As you are joining, please invite our people to join us too. Thank you all very much, wonderful people, great Biafrans, lovers of freedom, people of goodwill all over the world. Yes. Okay, Sister Tamono, I see you there. Thank you very much. Thank you so much, my beloved sister. Joy Osaze David, I see you there. You are welcome. Benedict Oji, you are welcome. Good afternoon, Joyce. So my people, na very quick one. We're not gonna stay too long today because my heart dey very down. I know if it say my spirit dey down, but my heart dey very down, and I don't know, maybe not because I be woman, because we don't too show strongness. So based on say now we cannot compare man with woman. Our heart, they as a woman, again where my heart go see strong, you go see they kind of weak due to everything we be say I dey see on social media, due to how some of our people that they behave, due to I go try to feel back the what people go through in 1967 and everything. My heart is weak, not be broken. My heart is weak, but before I get up for bed this morning, I pray to God to give me strength and also to increase my spirit of resoluteness and spirit of doggedness. So my people, this very afternoon, if you just join this very page for the first time, Omote Biafra 2, may you like and follow this page, Omote Biafra 2. Press the notification bell so that you're going to get notified each time when we say I come on air. And also, if you know they follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, Omote Biafra. If you know they follow me on Twitter, follow me on Twitter at Omote Biafra. As you follow me for Twitter, they follow you back, and they retweet every damn thing when we say you tweet. As our supreme that don't rightly talk, go on Twitter, go on Twitter, go on Twitter, go on Twitter. You don't need to beg anybody for this critical time where we did so. And I get small message when I was sent to my dear Igbo people. I get small message when I was sent give una. My heart is so weak. My heart is so weak. Not because I dey accept defeat, or not be say I defeat say we are defeated or anything, but I get things to tell una. I want, as in today, I want to address everybody, and as for my own capacity, as an Urobo Biafran, or as an Urobo indigenous person when they've trapped in Nigeria. So, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Omote Biafra. The link they up there. And I thank those of us who subscribed yesterday. I get almost 7 subscribers yesterday. God Almighty, Chukokika Biama, Osono Blue Way, Tamuno, God bless every one of us. And as we continue to do what we do, they fight for this freedom of everybody we try for the damnable Republic called Nigeria. We'll continue to be each other's keeper, continue to fight for each other, continue to protect each other, so that at the end of it, victory could be our own. Today, I sit down, make we say prayer to Ogeno Lise. Ogeno Lise, Chuko Kika Biama, I'm aware, I see Kukure, Ogorufu Nana, we're going to discuss here, Kwa Jobio, Ovia Ovi, Nigeria. Bani Womleni, Chuko Kika Biama, avec my owe mamma, Ove, Ohovi, we understanding, about level, however, Nanonena. Ogeno Lise, Chuko Kika Biama, Majuelu Avare as me mota. Egba ka perfect only na Ijobio, but where you are. Or is so rather no we care the care, no whether increase the spirit of resoluteness avare, no whether increase the spirit of determination avare, whether increase the spirit of doggedness avare. Kemu, kavenue, ava need, ava continue down one nana, send that the end of it, the victory that you avare. Ogeno Lise, what that provide direct avare. Oda di ovume move ava lure, Ogeno Lise, Chuko Kika Biama, also no blue way. No wo avare ko bi wo misdre at the end the wo seviraye Ogeno Lise kumemu aga lure wo avare ava riani ava ikwe biebi ava she ihu avare ovi slavery ava riere ava ikwe biebi oya wo I describe e shu Satan ava riere ni ava ikwe biebi ava we won gbogbo ava gono mavare ava gono mo ojojovi ori to avare Ogeno Lise wo avare fiki ava ituovo ovenwe enwe oyoyovi fikara itovo ogini represent image we over akponana ovoto I Biafra vetina Ogeno Lise wo biko wo avare senen wo kara helping hand ovo petunana avana wo mlere rawon ke ikwona na wore o mabiru avare abijara damevuko viyoto Ogeno Lise wo biko wo nyare kara egba Wakara ho, wakara spirit of resilience. I will continue. I will look baralu and Banavariani or baralue. Ati or you bearer. What biko one ear piavare. Imagine the canu is supremely davare. Womnere obey Danny where zero when an alwena or that Danny by now or give up unure. Equal beburere, I give up. Equal bobu on sasa. It was on a Niger resource control. It was on a vengeance. It was on a pandefi. It was on a waneze. It was on a wazirike jingonavi yo so maraye wazirike. I could you be part toto na. Best working Jinyavi, imagine the candle Jinyavi established IPOB. Wakaji jegravare, Jinyai society. Ovavare ko bawo ikuche ko wo compromise avo meni no na ai mara kwe oto avare oda siji Ogeno Lise we're gonna do na succeed. About any project in a project where and I were me mota where ye obu work out perfect when I job be. Organ say when you ever see Mazuna di Cano, where so, Kegba, Kairo, Kaho, Kobu working is Solomonio. Oh, Swabari. Kay resources, Kay Hujo Bio Nidi, or Kawameshoni, at the end, if victory cocadio avari. I put your day available, I watch me, organ the Severosi family ragi. Togetherness, or you have come victory. On I have no organ no cell, Chukoki Kabiama, or Sano Blue, Tanmuno, Lugo Lucavario, Avami Biafra, he said. Thank you very much, my wonderful people. Lovers of freedom, people of goodwill all over the world. My name na Efeisi Uwanogo Omote Biafra, Robo Biafra from the coastal region of Biafra land. And presently, all of us, they use the identity of Nigeria until we get our independence. And we want every indigenous people that is trapped in Nigeria, for all of them to be free. We're not that greedy with this freedom. We're not that selfish with this freedom. We're not that self-centered with this freedom. We they ask and we they demand and we they agitate to be free as a people. So this very moment, my people, we'll start from this place. And they see everything will be said they happen presently for Nigeria, and sometimes I wonder. I say, as in before God they send Mazina Dikanu this message, or before God they say IPOB say me they call. You don't know say the as in I saw the thing be. You don't know say this obstacle as in we say we na main motor. You don't know say this obstacle as in a terrible one. As in don't know say na something will be say it go dey very difficult for your children. You know, as in, they make try to see put her in an easier way when we say we go face get this freedom without as in we na main motor. God we send Mazina the kind of this project. He's supposed to know say we na main motor, and he's supposed to know how he go fit say help us, because they ask a question. If I dey talk to God, I dey ask a question the way I go dey talk to maybe my friend or my father or my mother or anybody. That is how I talk to God. And I see after yesterday night, in this morning, I can say no wonder children, time of Biafra 1967, people set they set themselves ablaze, as in they come outside, commit suicide. If not be say Abia dot. And I need so my fellow Biafrans and every people that is trapped in Nigeria, they need my voice to be heard. They need me in order for every one of us to continue to the move on. What is person they commit suicide not reach like this? So I don't want to speak bad things this very afternoon, but when the people do they commit suicide, say waiting the world, the conspiracy against every one of us, it not reach like this. I'm telling you the truth. It's not up to this. Then I see everything where they happen for social media, and I can go they reflect back in 1967 how they talk the history today, say the way the people were killed in Benin City, the way people were killed, people when they try to escape from the north, they take capture them for inside Los Zeros bus, Los Zeros trailer, take carry all of them down, bush out them for middle belt. I can't remember places, and be say they take kill, and I can't remember the numbers of people when be say you don't die. This very morning, this very afternoon, wherever you are watching me from, I want to use this media to talk to my Igbo Biafran before I will go to exact message when I get this very afternoon. I want to use this media to talk to my Igbo Biafrans or Igbo that are in Nigeria. There is a conspiracy against you. I'm not saying those of us say they're not they conspire or they have not been conspired to kill us or to destroy us or to take over our land or to do anything to us or anything. But I want to let you know, you are Igbo businessman, you are Igbo politician, you are Igbo in diaspora, you are Igbo anywhere in the world. There is a conspiracy against you. And this conspiracy is not because you have really done anything wrong as an ethnicity, not that you have really done anything wrong because as you are a human being, but because you have been the people who have been fighting from the beginning to save everybody that is trapped in Nigeria. You have been the people who have been, who don't stand up for the time memorial to fight for live and let other live. You are being conspired against because now they bring the awareness of this conquering of everybody in Nigeria. You are being conspired against because you have the mind, you get the everything, being it population and everything, to confront this tyranny, this mission of conquering, this mission of Islamization, this mission of taking over our land. And I let you know today, if you are an Igbo man, you not businessman, you not politician, you live for diaspora, and you are fighting against this cause, or you are fighting against Nnamdi Kanu, you do yourself a lot of damage. I'm telling you the truth. You do yourself a lot of damage. Today, I'm not talking as an IPOB member. I'm not talking as an IPOB member that I am. I'm talking as an Urobo woman. You are doing yourself a lot of, as you do yourself a lot of damage. That conspiracy that is going on, that is going on to destroy everybody, or to destroy every Igbo man, every Igbo woman in that is in Nigeria. You are not excluded. You are not excluded. You can work for Fulani or you can work for Nigerian government as much you like. You can come outside to criticize IPOB or criticize Nnamdi Kanu for all you like, but I let you they know. So far as I say your name is Chukwudi, even if you even change your name from Chukwudi to Mark Johnson, you are still part of the target of this conspiracy. And they let you they know this very morning. You they do yourself a lot of damage because you are being hated. They don't care if you are supporting IPOB or you are not supporting IPOB. They don't care if you are supporting Nnamdi Kanu or you are not supporting Nnamdi Kanu. You are an Igbo man, and every Nigerian have conspired to destroy you as an Igbo man. You know that in your heart today. If you never know before, may you know. Know it. Every Nigeria, being it an Igbo man, a Benin man, being it Urobo, being it Isoko, being it Shekiri, being it Ijo, being it Ikwere, being it Calabar, being it Middle Belt, everybody have conspired against you in Nigeria to destroy you. The government, the Britain, they have succeeded in poison, or I will not say poison or anything, because they say the third person word. Benin people say if the third person word, he believe. Now, what if they in mind? There is a conspiracy in Nigeria to destroy Igbo people, not because they have done any harm to any ethnicity in Nigeria, but because they are taking upon themselves, being it in terms of financially, morally, doggedness, strategically. They have the one that is on this to liberate everybody in Nigeria, and they have conspired. That Urobo man have conspired with the Fulani people. That Yoruba man have conspired with the Fulani people. That Edo man have conspired with Fulani people. That Calabar man have conspired with Fulani people. That those people in River State, the so-called Niger Delta, they have conspired to destroy Igbo people. And when they talk about these Igbo people, they want to talk about the 5 states of the East, the 5 states of the present Southeast of today. Listen and listen good. If you're not Igbo man, you're not among these people when they want to destroy. You are not excluded. Being it, you come out on social media. If you like, come out on social media. Cause Nnamdi Kanu as much as you like. Cause IPOB or cause your Igbo Biafran that are on the streets soliciting for everybody to be free in Nigeria. You are not excluded. Even me when they are so, I'm not gonna know difference between you when they cause Nnamdi Kanu or when they with Nnamdi Kanu. In as far as you are an Igbo man, I dey tell you the mentality of these people. I don't verse this very afternoon. Nobody will separate you or nobody will exclude you. Say you they support Nnamdi Kanu, you know they support Nnamdi Kanu, you they support Biafra project, or you know they support Biafra project. You they support everybody to be free in Nigeria, you know they support everybody to be free in Nigeria. You are one of the targets. Listen and listen good. You came outside in Abuja to go and protest for a betterment of Nigeria, of to end SARS. You not only on a business, not the target for Abuja when they want to actually when they destroy. You come out in Lagos to go protest. We were all shot dead in both the Yoruba people. Everybody come outside for toll gate to go shot dead for go protest for EndSARS, and the end of the day you were all shot dead in that place. Yoruba people were shot dead, the Edo people, every Nigerian youth in the toll gate, they were all shot dead. But at the end of the day, the narrative was turned around. Make the couple put that for our head. Listen very good. When they come put the narrative, they turn the narrative, they put that for our head. Say now they cause a problem for Nigeria. Say more na common for Nigeria matter. Those of them when they talk, one Nigeria, we can make Nigeria better, or we have been living in peace and harmony in Nigeria and nothing happened till IPOB call, till whatever like that, call they come for that place. May you listen and listen very good. You are a target. There is a conspiracy of every indigenous people in Nigeria to destroy you as an Igbo people. In order for the Fulani mission to be accomplished. Now, today, all of us there for here, we they agitate, we they fight for Biafra, we they fight for Biafra. Then, apart from those of us that are on social media, or those of us that are already in IPOB, that came from the coastal region of Biafra land, every leader or any leader in the coastal region will come outside to speak ill of IPOB, to speak ill of our supreme leader. You will see say everybody they silent, everybody they quiet. They not go say anything. That they fight as in that they do it due to ethnicity. That they do it due to this person on my own, this person relate to me, or this person come from Egbema. So for that reason, anything where they talk, in as far as he's fighting Nnamdi Kanu, I'm not going to say anything. I'm going to support him because now my own. I don't try to come sit down, can't really reason this matter. And I get this message to tell my Igbo Biafran this very afternoon, or Igbo that is in Nigeria. If there is any miss, I'm sorry to say this. I'm very, very sorry. If there is any miss, even though I know that this coastal region, this Biafra that we are fighting today, we the coastal region are even more Biafra. Because 5 million children were killed. It was not an Urobo children. It was not the Ijaw children. It was not the Yoruba children. It was not the children from the Port Harcourt. It was the Igbo ethnicity children that was killed. 5 million of them. Children that was killed. When children other outside the world, they commit suicide. People, they set themselves ablaze. People, they set themselves ablaze. But they use this media to they tell everybody. And they tell my supreme leader, are they on my knees? And I tell every Igbo that is in Nigeria. I know say, what is his name? Okonkwo. What it be named? That Okonkwo when the art movie. He say Igbo land and landlocked. And the last time when I can go check everything, this very afternoon, I can get to talk. Say I go explain and give una. Igbo might be landlocked. Igbo land might be landlocked. Despite that they forget say Onitsha water or Onitsha seaport or Onitsha bridge for that place. Say the water go lead to IC. Burkina Faso they don't have seaport. Burkina Faso na landlocked. Burkina Faso they don't have seaport. They don't get any seaport for Burkina Faso, but they are surviving. But they see they shipping foreign things. I'm using this media to tell every Igbo Biafran, you can do it. I don't vex. You can do it. You can do it. If there is any miss, you are a minister in Canada. You are a minister in America. You are a minister in London. You are a minister in Germany. You are a minister everywhere. If there is any way you can do it, because they say you can force us to water, you can force us to the river, but you cannot force them to drink water. And you cannot continue as in laying down your life for people who refuse not to free themselves. You cannot continue laying down your life for people who refuse not to think as human beings. You cannot continue to lay down your life for people who prefer people from the Sahel to be ruling their resources, taking away their resources. You cannot continue to lay down your life in order to save everybody. At the end of the day, they might succeed the way they succeed in stopping 1967. At the end of the day, they might succeed in putting in down the Ogoni campaign cleaning. At the end of the day, they might succeed in cramping down this effort where one don't make so far, the way they crumpled Niger Delta Avengers. They might succeed in cramping down this effort you have made so far, because the way they crumpled down Niger Delta boys or whatever resource control that they fought, they might still succeed in trampling us down the way the crumple mass up down. When today when we say na hotel, and they call it build. My fellow Igbo Biafran, my fellow Igbo that are in Nigeria, I'm using this media to tell you, and I'm sending this message to my supreme leader from my weak heart as a woman that I am. If there is any miss, if not true backdoor man say you go fit to do this thing, may you do it. Because if at the end of the day you continue to drag people that refuse to free as a people, if at the end of the day, say all the efforts of the deaths of our Igbo Biafrans, because the last time I was telling them, I said nobody to compare Igbo Biafran in Nigeria, nobody, no ethnicity in Nigeria you can compare Igbo with. If you are trying to talk, saying so they know the person know they strategize or they know they do this one, but that one. There is nobody to compare Igbo Biafran in Nigeria. Mazi, if it is backdoor you want to use, if it is backdoor, however you want to do it, even if it's only Ebonyi State that want to retain Biafra, even if it's only Enugu State, even if it's Delta, any state or anybody that want to retain Biafra, even if it's only Asaba that want to retain Biafra or that want to be free as a people, Mazi do it. Mazi do it. It's even better for another colony to come to Nigeria or to come to that part of the country to recolonize anybody in that place, that to allow this effort to go in vain. Enough done enough. Enough done enough. A revolution was called by Nigerians, and as a Nigerian citizen, supporting that all of us are, we came outside to fight for this revolution. Automatically, we not change that. Even people that was not against Igbo people that was not when don't come out in several occasions to speak, I'm an Igbo man, you cannot dispute that. Today they have all come outside. There's nothing we can do. You can force horses to the water, you can't force them to drink water. You can force horses to the water, you can't force them to drink water. Since they choose, they don't want to perish with Fulani. If the Fulani have the Fulani get their gold, they get their diamond, they get everything that they control and they mine by themselves. And people when we get the most undeveloped environment, the most poverty and wretched environments, the most wretched and backward environment, they choose to continue to the dine and wine with their oppressors, their killer, their destroyer. There's nothing you can do about it. And I know say the reason why they do this thing, they want to make it come resolve to this level of saying, okay, if that would be the case, let these people, let them go. So that they will come to change the narrative tomorrow. Say, we told you that they never loved you. We told you that they never want everybody to be together. We told you that they were fighting for their own interests. We told you that they don't want whatever they were doing, they were trying to as in doing all these things to bring confusion. You see, now they have rejected you, and now they want to go with 5 states. But if God in heaven is seeing my heart this very afternoon, how weak it is, as in I don't know the right word to use. If there is any miss, because if our leader do not do this, as in do not see any as a solution or any means of trying to save or make sure say people are saved, especially the Igbo people are saved in Nigeria. I will come on social media, I go hang group for up, I go commit suicide for your neck, and I go write his name, say my blood there for your neck. I go write my Mazina the Kanu name for paper. I go put am for where I go for hang myself. Or if you rope not there where I go tie, I go carry something come out for live video. I go do it, I go die, and I go write his name for that place. I go write his name for that place. Because you have been shouting and shouting and shouting and shouting and shouting. Not that these people are not being marginalized, or not that these people are not saying that they are being marginalized. Not that these people not they see say they are backward. Not that these people are not they see say their right has been taken away from them. What can you do? How will you change your mind as in a black demon, people that are not to be devil incarnate? What can you do to change your mind, Mazi? What can you do to change their mind, our Igbo Biafran? What can you do to change their mind? If today they don't say the saboteurs and Igbo are more saboteurs, Igbo are more this one. If it's the population of Igbo people that are in this struggle and in this forefront, every other ethnicity are in this struggle like this, who are these people? Who are the Nigerian government? Who are these Britain? When the people say yes, who are this government to say no? When the people are together, speaking in one voice, who are these individual governors to come outside to be talking rubbish? Now when they say, Ijoma they shout Ijo nation, this one they shout Urobo nation, this one they shout this one nation, this one they shout, they are not together. They are not this one. And majority of these people, when they do these things, so they be elites. My Igbo Biafran, I don't know if I'm making sense to you, but I just want to speak. I just want to speak. I'm tired of this rubbish. After, when we are doing this thing, let there be another underground work. As an Igbo ethnicity, pull your head together, pull your head together. Pull your head together. I don't care whether you're an Igbo businessman or you're a rubbish politician, you're a mumu or you're an idiot from anywhere, Igbo man. You they fool yourself, you they join people, they fight your brother. You don't season and conspiracy from 1967. Aburi Accord was the whole Aburi Accord to make everybody better. Aburi Accord not better. Today they team up, they keep over 5 million children, not be old and young, not there. Igbo people, listen to me. There should be underground movement for you people. There should be underground. Me know they talk as an Igbo man, or they say all of us are Igbo man. Me, I'm an Urobo woman. I'm telling you today, there should be other alternative. There should be other alternative underground. When una they do, make sure say there is another alternative underground that you are doing. There is other preparation for Igbo people in Nigeria for them to be free. We cannot continue to lose our life on daily basis in order to save some idiots, some black monkey in one place that refuse to be free. Some black monkey who do not know the effort, who do not know what you are doing to save them. There should be every Igbo in Canada, in America, in UK, in every part of the world, in Asia. There should be underground work. Show the case, because you must be free. Enough is enough. You must be free. Anybody that want to perish or that want to go with Nigeria, let them go with Nigeria. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. And you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Yoruba people that are asking for Yoruba people, Yoruba country today or Yoruba nation today, they are no more populated than all Igbo put together. They are no more populated than all Igbo put together. Enough of all this rubbish. The last time I checked, even the Igbo people are well to do more than everybody in that country. They are more well to do than everybody, both home and abroad. So if you not come outside the fight for humanity or fight for every freedom of everybody, it means they now be the best human being for that country. If you not they come outside, they lay down their life. They protect everybody. It means and anybody that is putting red head or go kill your mama, you go kill your papa, you go kill your generation, you go kill your children for your eye, you not go sleep, wake up tomorrow morning. And the verse, not be every day person that they get joy. My tell on this very afternoon. If you call your cup or go kill your ma, kill your pa, you go die very miserable. What did they worry on themselves? Now they mad. What did they worry on themselves? Now they mad. What is the problem? What is the problem? If anybody will get duplicate life, or go they kill you. I be a mad they destroy you this morning. I be best they destroy you, they mad. If anybody will get duplicate life, now they mad. There should be underground planning. There should be underground planning. There should be underground planning for every Igbo people to be free in Nigeria. There should be underground planning. And any Igbo man that is supporting, being it to Robama, being it to Igbo, being it to Job, being it anybody that is fighting against Igbo people in Nigeria, Amadio Igbo should go destroy all of them. What is all this nonsense? If anybody will get duplicate life, if you don't want to be free, then you don't be free, you be there. Who be Jesus Christ when they lay down their life to they free? Who are the fools? Who be the fool? Who not value life? Who life not the sweet? Who life not worth for living? What nonsense. They talk something. Una go they put rubbish. You they mad. My Igbo Biafra, and I forget this message when I say first. I don't care whether you are feeling it, or if it is giving up, or whatever you want to take it. I'm just telling you the truth. As an Urobo woman that I am, I'm telling you the truth. There should be, we are all fighting for Biafra, I know, but there should be underground planning to liberate Igbo people in Nigeria. They hate you. Nigeria hates you. Personally, they hate you. I know they hate other people, but they refuse to accept it. But my greatest joy is that you as an Igbo people in Nigeria, you know they hate you, and you accept it, and you are doing something about it. And something must be done about it. I beg you in the name of God. I beg you in the name of God. If something is not being done, I go commit suicide on her neck, and I go lay curse on her. I'm telling you the truth. I will lay curse, and the history will be dead. That someone who a woman, the time something like this, because of something like this, he commits suicide, and he lay curse on us. Let's go and return, and that curse will never be returned. You will see that curse. They're not going to return that curse. You will not be able to return that curse. You will forever, that curse will forever follow on for the rest of your life. What kind of nonsense is this? What kind of nonsense is this? You are not wanted in the country. You want to save people that don't want to save. What kind of nonsense is this? They don't want to be saved. They are animals. They be animals. They don't want to be saved. They prefer living with Janjaweed. They prefer living with Janjaweed. They prefer to destroy, as in they prefer to live with animals when come from Sahel. They prefer to serve the interests of Nigerian government. You leave them and let them perish. What kind of nonsense is that? For how many years? Igbo youth, they kill Igbo youth. Every day. Every day. Every day. Every day. Every day. All those youth, when they kill for Nigeria every day, so they think that they fight for freedom. Are they fighting for freedom? All these animals, when they kill every day for street, are they fighting for freedom? They are not fighting for freedom. They fight that they go about their daily bread on daily basis. They see they kill them. But they prefer to die for the hands of one animal from Janjaweed than to die for their freedom. Then when they see you dying, they think you are a fool. When they see you dying for this freedom, they think you don't know what you are doing. When they see you dying for this freedom, they think there is a special thing that you want to benefit for fighting to liberate everybody. Enough is enough. My Igbo Biafrans, you are fighting for Biafra for everybody, no problem. But there should be underground plan for Igbo people to be free in Nigeria. I don't care if you let me, you guys go into your head for what, that's your business. You get it when you want to do me, they mad. You don't get it when you want to do me. Now me get my mad and I me they use them. I'm using it. There should be plan for Igbo people to be free in Nigeria. There should be plan. What kind of heavy and jealousy is this one that Fulani have poured in your mind, in your heart, against the people that have been speaking on behalf of you, home and abroad, being it in terms of financially everything? Take this advice I'm giving you. Fight for everybody if you want to fight for everybody, but there should be plan B of Igbo race to save in Nigeria. I'm telling you, there should be plan B. I'm telling you, this conspiracy is too much. The hatred is too much. It's not for IPOB. The hatred is not for IPOB. Because if you want to say the hatred is for IPOB, I would disagree with you. The hatred is not for IPOB. The hatred is for Igbo people in Nigeria. The hatred is for Igbo people in Nigeria. Every ethnicity in Nigeria, they hate Igbo for no reason. For no reason. Which other person, which other people, which other group of people don't come outside for Nigeria, despite the marginalization, despite the oppression, despite everything, which other people don't come outside to stand firmly the way our Supreme Leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, or the way Igbo people don't stand firmly which, just name it. Just name it. If they put it here, put it here. Put it here. It's not there. It's not there. I want you this medium to tell the so-called Niger Delta people or Niger Delta people. Remember, as a Niger Delta that you are, Uroboma is dead, Isokoma is dead, Ijoma is dead, Kalabama is dead, Efikma is dead, Anag is dead, Okwane is dead, Agbo is dead, Edo is dead, Ishan is dead, Esako is dead, and we are all different tribes, different dialects. We are all different tribes, different dialects. The best time for us to come together, or the best opportunity for all of us to make use of, now be this opportunity where we get so. If we lose this opportunity, or we play with them, or we use and play gamble, there will be no time where any of us go to live in peace and harmony. There will be no time where any of us go to live good life. There will be no time when any of us go to develop. There will be no time when anything good go to come from our land. Because we are different ethnicity. We be different tribe. You might be named Niger Delta due to political name or due to colonial master's name, but we are not the same people. You get that and get it into your head. Get it and get it into your head. The only best opportunity we get now be this Biafra project for all of us to come together and do one thing. We are all different tribes in the so-called Niger Delta. Don't think Uroboma go sit down tomorrow, make us sit down with you say, in and you na one person. Or when Ishekiri Mago go sit down today, say, in and you na one person. So it is a best opportunity for every one of us to make use of this opportunity that we get today, to call it a day. Make we share Gary, make everybody they go. Because this conspiracy to consume an individual because they are speaking on behalf of us, it is too much. And our help and our concern, our resoluteness, our full support is needed. And if you hesitate to do that, don't expect a Niger Delta or whatever bullshit that you are doing in that place. I'm an Uroboma and I'm telling you today, don't expect any Niger Delta bullshit that you are doing today. It's never going to be accomplished because it's not possible. If ethnicity as populated as Igbo did, they not fit do, or they not fit fight, or they not fit, even in 1967, even though some Calabar, some Igbocha, some they not fit do, and now you if you Joma they speak now, not the year. If you Calabama they speak now, not the year. Now me and you want to share country, you they mad. Now you they mad. You they speak another year. You now me and you want to share country. Where time come? When opportunity for all of us to share country now, you say you na Niger Delta. Now me and you want to hear the same country. When me and you know the hear the same tribe, you know the hear the same language. Now me and you want to share Niger Delta. You know where? You know where? I'm using this opportunity to tell every one of you, the common people in the so-called Niger Delta, these so-called elites, they have held you captive for how many years? See the one that they live for the whole of Nigeria. For the whole of Nigeria, now Niger Delta, they are now them be the most backward people. For the whole of Nigeria, for the whole of Nigeria as a whole, we are the most backward people. We are the most undeveloped people. We are the most people where they say nothing good there for our region. And when I do research, when I go check back and front, I see and say the major things when even make the Igbo people they suffer in Nigeria, the major things when they make the Yoruba people they suffer in Nigeria, the major things when they make the Middle Belt they suffer in Nigeria, the major things when make everybody as an ethnicity is suffering in Nigeria is in the Niger Delta. Is in Niger Delta. Is in Niger Delta. If Niger Delta people today, the Niger Delta people today stand up to say enough is enough. If they control oil and gold and diamond in the north, we the Niger Delta too, we still get the power to control whatever that is. All this mess, nobody go there they share, nobody go there they complain. But these individual fools, they refuse to wake up to their reality, to wake up to the game plan or grant for them to do the needful. That they allow people like them wicked will be moron, wicked will be ogogoro man, will be drunkard, and many others in that place. So they twist their minds. You have been there, see the way you live, see where you live, see your environment as rich as you are. See how wretchedly you are living. See how wretchedly you are living. Show me one particular place for the north when Niger Delta man they mine gold. Show me one particular place for the north. When Niger man dey mine diamond, show me one particular place for the north. When they get Niger Delta region, say now they get one when they control one resources for the north. Just show me one. Name her for me for this comment section. Make I see her. None. None. But you come to Niger Delta, the so-called Niger Delta, you are there, you see all of them muggling around, doing whatever they like, send their army, send their police, get a territory, mining everywhere, tell you say na so Niger Delta, Fulani, Niger Delta, Igbo Fulani, this one, that one, in that place. And now the so-called Niger Delta, Niger Delta people, they pin their mouth. All that they see, all their bone of contention na Igbo man, their bone of contention na Nnamdi Kanu, their bone of contention na rubbish. Na rubbish. If by today, at this point in time, when everybody does see, say the food when they're supposed to share for coronavirus, food is nowhere to be found. If by today, food now, they not share food now, today they go, they discover all the food, they bust the warehouse. Instead of them to be ashamed of themselves, instead of them to feel disappointed, instead of them to hide themselves hide their face in shame, they use that opportunity to tag on terrorists, they use that opportunity to tag on hoodlums, they use that opportunity to tag on as in talks. For una own property, this what they're supposed to share for una. By now, every government house in Nigeria supposed to be burned down. If you are a governor, your house, as in government house in Enugu State, government house in Edo State, government house in Delta State, government house in River State, government house in Calabar State, government house in Lagos. Everything supposed to burn down by now. If truly na country where as in citizens get sense, but they don't get sense. So there's no point of wasting your time to want to save morons, as in useless set of black demons from pit of hell. There's no point of wasting your time. Now, instead of them to feel guilty of not giving the palliative of COVID-19, they're not tagging you terrorists for discovering it. And there is every possibility that they even go to show them or they open her for them to make una as una can't they stupid for them not go even go to fight for the better revolution or for not go to demand for better revolution because they don't say hunger they cash una they like prisoners when hunger they cash. So if they open this thing, if they see food, they go forget what they're supposed to do. They go go for other things. They go forget what they're supposed to do. They not go fight for this freedom again. Open warehouse for them. Let them go, they carry food. Make them forget. But instead of not to hold their hands and say, okay, this food not do like this now. So it be make we change that for this government. Una can't even they let them they get upper hand. Can't they tag on terrorists? And those kind of people now you want free. Now those kind of people now you want to kill yourself. Now those kind of people now you want to deprive your life, your beautiful life. You want to save. This morons, this idiot set of people, now you want to deprive yourself a beautiful life when you're supposed to live, you want to save them. Leave them, make them die, make them perish for that place. Since the children of God suffered violence in the Bible, and only the violent one that took it by force to save themselves, and some morons in Africa that refuse to do the needful, leave them, let them perish. After all, many leaders, many revolutionaries have come to Africa to save Africa. None of them succeed. So if it not going to happen this time, not be bad thing. See, Niger Delta people, listen to me. Niger Delta people, listen to me. Listen and listen very good. So una support those of una will be political agents. Una will be elderly agents for that place. So una sabi to the support evil. Una sabi to the support evil. Una see una life now. All the time una don't support evil. Una don't support evil. Till today, now make una not go front, una not go back. Una not go front, una not go back. No development for your land. Nothing. For the whole of Nigeria, now only they attack terrorists. For all of Nigeria, now only they give amnesty for your own property. And at the end of the day, nothing is be done. Now individual, now eat for your expenses. Individual now eat for your expenses. Enrich yourself for your expenses. See the life una they live now. Una father sabotage freedom of people, freedom. Una when this generation now doesn't start to sabotage the freedom when one benefit everybody. See una life now. See how backward all of you are. See how backward una dey. See worry be like toilet, it be like dustbin. I been na Bayelsa you want, I been na Ogoni, where you want, I been na the same River State when they not let people hear about River State. Where good for that place? Where be the where the development? Where is the development in that so-called Niger Delta now? Where una they hold up to? When leaders go come on, they go do things, they go hand over to their family or hand over to their son. One now they lay down their life. Some of una for that place they fight for these people. Where is it? Where is it? Where is the development? Where the development now? These sub-leaders, now they form different cultist group. They form different cultist group to create division among una, to create katakata among una, so that una no go ever sit down as a youth, as a people, to reason to pursue one common goal. Una get Alanda, una get Tutu, una get Vikings, una get what they call it, whether I don't know what the names una they call it for that place. All of these governors, all of these politicians, they are all what they call it. Anybody that is putting red there, if they put a red there, say you the vest for them, go better for you. But say they put red there, say what are they talking? No make sense, eh? Your picky go die for your eye. If you don't buy picky go die for your eye. If you get husband or you get children, you get wife, all your children or your family go pay. If they happen, people they died with a 5 family dead, 7 family dead. That would be your case today. That would be your case. All of these politicians are Curtis people, Curtis, Okuwanaye, Weekend and Vikings. So they are there, they are the ones sponsoring this Curtis. Since when these people come now, Curtis level come high well for the so-called Niger Delta. The Curtis come high well for the so-called Niger Delta. Killing themselves, bring confusion among themselves. Time of election, they will bring Aye, bring Tutu, bring Alanda. The youth go fight, kill themselves. These demons go there from one place, fold their hands in between their legs, and be watching them. Now me get the most rugged group. Now me get the most dogged group. Let me tell you, wicked. IPOB is not IPOB, indigenous people of Biafra, eh? When they do gaga or you do what you do for that place, they not be Tutu or Alanda. It not be Aye, not be Vikings. See, let me tell you, IPOB is very different. If you think say the one that they set on herself up for that so-called Niger Delta, and they do that rubbish one and they do for that place, IPOB is a very different set of people, eh? Because they be mad. Now people will be say God mandated to call do, make they call do their will for this place. And we can you too small, eh? To they do whatever bullshit they do for that place. Your forefather did it and you want to do it and you will never succeed. Your forefather did it and you never do, and you won't do it. You not go ever succeed. I they taken upon myself and every other are walking so-called Niger Delta, whatever bullshit citizen for that place, to put that upon ourselves. You see all those individuals, now we are going to fish you out and deal with you so mercilessly. The reason why I'm angry this very morning is that the people, the people, they are foolish people. They are foolish. My anger this morning is that the people are foolish. What kind of animalistic human beings are these people? Do they really have brain? They get brain. God give them brain. That white thing, as in give them brain. As in they be human being, warm they eat for their belly. They breathe in air. I'm not sure. I'm not sure that these people that they breathe in air or they be human beings, say warm they eat for their belly. When you have the opportunity to hold your government accountable, you are putting a blame on an individual that has never been a local government chairman before. When you have the opportunity to hold your government for them to do something tangible in your life, you are channeling your energy to fight an individual who came to give you morally support. You prefer to lose this battle. You prefer to lose everything in order for, because you hate him or you whatever you, as in however they feel for the mind, you prefer for everything to stop for you to get victory, for you to get a better life. In as far as he has involved, let everything die like that. You prefer it. I'm so disappointed. I'm so disappointed. I wish I never come from Africa. I wish I never come from Africa. And they tell God, why you can't even come make me now come be part of this thing? Make I know, if it's I don't get sense now, like the now, I'm gonna leave my leg jagu. I'm not gonna think. I've put myself in problem. Not in problem saying no, maybe anybody will know. I've put myself in problem by thinking about other people. I've put myself in problem. I've put up myself in problem by thinking about black monkeys. Devil incarnate in Africa. I put myself in problem. I put myself in problem by thinking how to save their ass. I put myself in problem. I cannot sleep in the night. I cannot sleep morning, afternoon, evening. I cannot eat well because of this black monkey in Africa. This black monkey, these demons from the pit of hell. These people that treat lesser than human beings all over the world. I put myself in problem. What kind of moronic set of people is this? What kind of... See, wrath of God to come down and destroy every black people on this planet. Let it destroy all of them. Destroy the black people on this planet. They don't want living. Black people don't want living. Let God destroy them. A time will come. Those of us in diaspora will say it will stop sending you money because you are all morons. Time will come because if you want money, you follow desert and follow Mediterranean Sea and come to Europe and come and work your ass out so that you go know how it is. A time will come. Those of us in diaspora will not send you a dime. What kind of black demons is this one? Black demons in Africa that refuse to be free. Black demons that allow their fellow human beings to be enslaving them. Black demons. We can listen and listen good. IPOB is not Alanda or Vikings. We can listen and listen good. All those your rubbish boys, whosoever you say they recruit, when they can't do this one, we go crumple all of them. You not fool. You not fool. You be idiot. You be idiot. You be fool. You think we go fold our hands in between our leg, look and the way they look on before. Thought I go fire all of them for them. But we clack all of them where they form. How now want they separate everybody when they form ethnicity and rubbish when they do for that. Total and best to go destroy all of them. You are so backward. Look at your life. You are so backward. We other people go they talk. None of them they feel they talk for them. And then Niger Delta. And we other people they talk. You know if you talk. You know if you talk. Ordinary Yoruba, not be ordinary. Yoruba people come and that they go showcase their flag. The whole world shake. As a Niger Delta, as a body, what you not do? Miserable, backward, idiotic people. What you not do? Now to they come outside. You know the kind of should leave Niger Delta alone. You are from Niger Delta. You they mad. If you na in Joma, if you na Calabama, you are who they from Niger. Abu Robama, you are who they from Niger Delta. You they crazy. You are who they from Niger Delta. You they mad. Thunder fire you there. None that kill you. None that kill you enter grave. Mumu idiot. Mumu idiot. Backward people. Idiotic people. Foolish people. Uneducated fools. Poverty people. God will punish all of you now. All of you now when they support politicians. All of you now when they support say na elder. Oh, Google destroy all of you now. Go see foolish backward people. They don't open warehouse more than go they carry food. Don't forget to sense. They don't opportunity to tag on a terrorist, to tag on a hoodlum, to tag on a talks. Opportunity for them to go destroy upon destroy. And then for that they shell they say, and they're there for a brother, they cry you, they crazy. It's easy to come outside. This morning I'm supposed to go where I want go come back and relax for you. And then they show you they might say easy. You just say easy. Told that fire of na poverty, backward life. See how they live for swamp. All of them they live for swamp. No water, nothing, no road, no house. All na house, na green leaf, knife full everywhere. Backward people. Idiots everywhere. See Fulani now when they call the rain, they talk upon on head, they talk rubbish upon on head. See Fulani from nowhere, uncircumcised idiot. People will not educate. Now the kind of button for the get power. moronic set of people. Now una the kind of body na for they get power. Una the kind of body na for they get power. Backward people. And we are going to create a great Edo, Benin, we be Benin kingdom, moronic people, die for prostitute now. May you die for Yahoo Yahoo. Backward people. We want to Robo Nation. You there for that place. You there for your comment box. We don't want this Biafra. We want to Robo Nation. May you die for Yahoo Yahoo work. Die for prostitute. Your sister there now. You go say now. You give and sponsor and make her call abroad. May you go kill all of them. Thought that fire all of them for that place. Backward people. Poverty, stinking, wretched idiots. Fools. If you fool any man corner, I make another one word. No be fool any name on a data state. Me or go kill una for that place. Make all that fire na make best to destroy all of una. No be fool any name on a data state. Me una die from die una perish. If you not to carry a year and a year now they fight your brother now you go get power. If you not to carry a year and a year now they for that place they fight now to they kill your brother now you go get power. It don't be sure you go get power now you not get power. Backward wretched idiot. And anybody when they put this thing, your children go die for you. If you not man, your penis not go raise again. You not go ever feel pregnant any woman for your life again. You can never pregnant any woman. You will remain barren. You will remain useless to your generation to the generation to come because you are wicked. You are wicked and useless. Backward people, hopeless things, useless set of people. Amadio are destroyed now for the best to kill now for that place. Useless set of people. Where you will speak, you will not speak. Where you will speak, you will not speak. When you see your brother that is trying to do something to liberate you, you are there supporting politician. Go and get your PVC, kill you there. Who is wicked? Wicked is such chief that day you did the support them make Ogu kill all of una. Wicked is such chief that day you say Wicked, who are you to insult our chief? But as they attack on the canon and you quickly run go the poster. You know the canon declare Wicked declare Wicked they mad. Wicked to declare POB what they mad. You quickly go the poster. You don't remember say you cause your bar of Bini again no. You don't remember say Wicked sit your bar of Bini down you humiliate her. You don't remember again no. You not cause her again no. Igbo people there is conspiracy against you in Nigeria. You don't know You don't know. You will see now. Don't do something about it. Be there. Don't do something about it. These people have conspired to destroy you. Do something about it. You don't remember say Wicked cause he king again because he hate an Igbo man. Anytime you hear the word Igbo man, they sound for you. Be like make it die, make it die. Kill all of them, kill all the Igbo. Bring all of them and kill them, put them up. Just don't let them be in existence again. Don't let Igbo be in existence again so that they can get rest of mind. They can get peace of mind. Fulani can come and do whatever they want. It's not their business. Just kill all the Igbo men. Don't let them be anywhere in the world. In Nigeria, they are disturbing them. When they hear they feel intimidated. When they hear the word Igbo man, they feel inferior. When they hear the word Igbo man, they feel a lesser human being. So destroy them. We don't want to be seeing them again. Did Wicked not insult your king that you so much value so much? You they go after waiting with this boy name every day. Oh Hyomba. Is Wicked not Hyomba that insulted your king? Come and say you wear cap like Otumata for you. Did you not see it or you not hear him? You not hear him? It don't reach now. A great Benin kingdom. A great Benin. You quickly go poster. Same person that humiliated your king. But you hate Igbo man now. You have come to as he come attack it. You as in for that reason, if you like me, cause your Oba before you do anything, it's not of your business again. So far as say he call Igbo man name, let him as in you do right, you poster. You see how hopeless you are. You see how miserable all of you are. You see how miserable you are. You see how backward you are. I'm very happy that anything when I want to talk, I know they seek anybody opinion. I'm entitled. I'm equal to the task. Anybody, anything when I want to talk, I'm equal to the task. I don't seek anybody opinion. You are very stupid. All of you are very mad. Madam Grace. Backward people. He insult all the traditional ruler finish for that place. He go for that place, go they portray, they come and say Rakadede. Then when I'm talking, person like me will know the value. These people they don't know they don't even know for Urobo and fighting for Benin, you go to say they really know what they don't know what they are fighting for. All that they fight, make a fight, they don't even know the value of the Benin. They don't know the value of the Urobo. They don't know the value of anything that they are fighting. They don't know. Others are fighting, let us fight. Neither they are so moronic. They are so idiot and backward. They are so useless. They don't want to call human beings. You want to frustrate our leader. You want to frustrate Nnamdi Kanu because you hate Igbo people. Because you feel lesser human being, because you are useless. Because you are useless. You choose to be useless for the rest of your life. So you want to frustrate him. You choose to be useless the rest of your life. You think they do Igbo man, or you think they do Igbo woman for your inability to reason, for inability to start. You think they do Igbo man. You are doing yourself. Let me see how the Niger data will work now. Let me see how the Niger data will work. Mad people everywhere, useless set of people, idiotic individuals their place. Total fire all of you there. Fire all of you there. Mad people. Since governor upon governor, what will be the tangible thing when they don't do for us? What will be the tangible thing? We can misbehave instead of to come and say more than lashes on wicked. See that then now when Yoruba people in their own come and call they talk rubbish. See the way Yoruba people everybody come and they counter the news. They insult them. Instead of to come and say they insult wicked. More than 10 wicked say what did they do now rubbish? Now they don't they say is that me on good killing now me what it be that place me on they should destroy you people now they mad way. Backward people, uncivilized, undeveloped people, rubbish. Man, I go to eat shit. Man, I go to eat shit. Una fellow human being shit. Go and be eating it because you are miserable. Go and be eating your fellow human being shit because you are. Go and be eating their shit because you want to pay. You hate Igbo man. The bottom matter of the thing that they hate Igbo man, not be anything. They hate Igbo man because they feel lesser human being before them. To that fire, now they mad where. Excuse me. If you like, continue your protest. If you like, then move yourself for them. Now you they go kill. Now you they go destroy. Now you they go call. Already they have taken over everywhere. That is your business. What is wrong with these mockings? Rubbish set of people. People took as a day like this. Meanwhile, life they sweet and here. Come up from live with everything. Call they fight for your freedom. You see person where they let their life they fight for you. They don't play they talk rubbish. They mad where. Backward people, idiots everywhere. Where is Ogoni cleaning? Not the answer for Ogoni cleaning. Where about the demand? Not the answer of the demand again. They don't use media. They don't give a huge amount of money for media. They don't change the narrative for Naed because now don't enter us now. They change the narrative for Naed. May go kill all of una for that place. Backward people. May go kill all of una for that place. Where is the demand? Answers. Is SARS not still killing people? I see video for this thing for one place for East when they thought say the man they thought say don't allow this hooligan to come and kill you anybody and the people where stand the man are full animal no the people where stand they listen to that they be indigenous people of where come from East if it be Calabar if it be Urobo man if it be Igbo man it's that for them they give out that to kill the people since when this protest start no one man don't shot for the north. You can't tell me say make I sit down, make I be happy with this kind of people. You will sit down until you expect me to ask to agree with this kind of people. Your Collins, your mama don't colo, your mama and your papa don't colo. You yourself you don't colo. If you get wife, your wife don't colo. If you get children, your children don't colo. And you go remain wretchedly for the rest of your life because you are hopeless. Now we can carry about being sit down that in the corner and say he wear cap that too much than for you. Say he wear pants for you, they run up and down every day. But because you don't involve Igbo man and you don't forget me, oh go kill your pa, kill your man, kill your pa. Collins said though, me oh go kill your pa, kill your man for your eye. May you die miserable death. They mad where what is they worry all of now? Now they crazy. As now they backward and now when they other people they backward and they mad. What is they worry on now? I don't say. Igbo people feel they play the role of Yoruba people the way that they play for that play. Everybody they play their role. Everybody they secure. They mad. What did they worry on themselves? What did they worry on now? Useless people. You come outside, you say end police, end bad governance, end this one, end that one.
Nothing has been met. The same one I enter house una don hear. More than 6 times they have banned police. Nothing has been done. Nothing has been done. Nothing has been done. You go back for that place. Some of you to remain resolute. Tomorrow now I'm going to shout. I feel you people. Now man, the ordinary protest one are supposed to they hit the street on daily basis. But if now the fight of the war don't last for 1 month now. Without the cash cost 20 dead. 15 dead. 15 dead. Nobody is winning now. Nobody they win now. With the do nobody they win now. But now when you go to show your legality, you not show your legality. You not show your legality. Kennedy, Alfred, or Google kill your mama, kill fellow Biafra, your limit at the verse. And if at the verse, I don't want anybody tell me say, oh Google kill your papa, kill your mama, kill your generation, perish you for your generation. You go die miserable death. You go die miserable death. Vulture go eat your flesh. You go be so perish. You not go sit as in your generation. Alfred, Kennedy, Alfred, or Google kill you. Now your picking picture there for front. I mean, are you okay? Now you. Now Google kill you, Alfred. You go die in the hands of army of Nigeria. You will die in the hands of police of Nigeria. You will die in the hands of SARS. If you and you don't old now, you get children. Your children will perish before your eye. You and your family go sleep. Una go bed as una sleep. Una not go wake up again. The news will be everywhere in Nigeria. Say Alfred and his family sleep, they not wake up. Kennedy Alfred. The news will be everywhere in social media. If it be saying a generator go kill una, if it be saying an army go kill una, if it be saying a banditry, everywhere in Nigeria will carry the news. Kennedy Alfred, so shall it be. So shall it be to you. So shall it be to you and your generation. So shall it be to you. Una hold on too much. Now, no demand was met. No demand was met. Instead of you to remain resolute, you allow them to be changing your minds to the follow saying and go boss way ass. Instead of they get grievances in your heart to be angry that COVID-19 palliative was not shared. Instead of as a citizen to get grievances, and they call the tag on a terrorist. Then they call the tag on a thuggery. Then they call it the same. They call the shoot una. They say that as in una be terrorists. They call the shoot una join the food. Wanna go discover most of the warehouse and they open up by themselves. Just to get where to hold for hand, say, una be hoodlums, una be this one, una be that one. Some of them, they talk say that they keep the food for their birthday time, then they go to share. Some of them, they talk say that they keep the food, Christmas time, then they go share. Food that is made for innocent citizens, as in citizen of a country, which every other world they do. Other world they carry and go, they deliver from their doorstep to their doorstep, doorstep to their doorstep, give them all the food. Then you are there, allowing them to be tagging you terrorists, allowing them to be tagging you terror on top of your property, allowing them to be tagging you terrorists. You say, make I not verse. You say, make I not verse. You say, your mama don't colo. I be your papa don't call. You say, make I not verse. Make I take her easy. Male of una perish. Na be demons. I don't care about whatever anybody is saying. Only what I'm saying is Igbo people in Nigeria. You must have plan B to free yourself. They hate you. They hate you. They hate you. They hate you in Nigeria. They hate you. And you know that you have done anything. You have not done anything because you have been the one rebelling this government, this breathing contraction. You have been the people rebelling this thing to make everybody to live a better life. And for this, they hate you. So you must have plan B. You must have plan B. What is wrong with you? Now they mad. One not they eat for na belly. Now they mad. You get one not they eat for a belly. As one not they eat for na belly, now won't perish for down and fellow mate hand. So now this and everybody go fit take that nonsense. So now everybody go fit take that kind of nonsense. One idiot go conquer the control for it now. As now whole place are backward. Now this and everybody go accept that nonsense. Everybody go accept that nonsense. You don't there for that place is there now. They don't drag Delta State. No, I cannot say Delta State because I want to be calling the ethnic group because you cannot say Delta State when what did they call her? Okwanema. Now Okwanema you won't go for Niger Delta with. Okwanema will be Igbo. Abina Sabama. So I will be calling you ethnicity. You as an Europe people right from the town, and don't produce governor, and don't do everything, nothing. Una de poverty, wretchedly, miserable, nothing, no development in that place. Who nothing they do another person. I'm not saying individual of this thing now. They put red head for their this thing. Omoruyi bright. Now you're picking picture there for you. You're picking picture where there for you. You go die for your eye. Omoruyi bright. This picking where there for your this thing. You go die for your eye. And the picture, people will write rest in peace. Yes, people will be writing rest in peace on this picture of your daughter or your son. I'm very sorry, I love children so much, but the people that don't want other people's children to be free, their children to be perished as well. Yes, anybody that doesn't want people's children, as it is in Nigeria, the situation in Nigeria is today, it don't want people to be free in that place. Let this picking picture wait there for it deeply, let it perish for may perish for you. Now not too much. May go kill all of them for that place. Demons everywhere. Now that we need each other the most, you allow one Janjaweed to come outside to be publishing any rubbish thing for media. They talk say IPOB is the problem, this one. Now they support and this IPOB, this one. You know, say if IPOB is not fighting, or these Igbo people are not fighting for everybody's interest, you just say they're going to tag them or they're going to go after them. Why are they not going after Yoruba people? Why are they not going after Yoruba people? Why are they not going after Niger Delta people? And individual of Unagofi attest say these people have not done anything wrong to any of us in that place. These people can attest say these people individually they have not done anything to us as fellow citizens in that place. Why are you so wicked? Why are you people so wicked like this? Why are you so wicked? Why are you so wicked? Igbo people must have plan B. They hate you in Nigeria. That common Edoma hates you. That common Roboma hates you. That common Ijoma hates you. That common Yoruba, they all hate you. Look for another alternative. Look for another alternative and leave this black demon. Let them perish in that place. Let them perish. They are too much. Rubbish set of people. People are looking for a way to be liberated in life. Okay, if something they happen for America now. Something they happen for America that California people go say na Texas for the apple. It not concern America. Or America Texas people go say they happen for Chicago. It not concern America. So now Chicago people be that one or anything. Or something they happen for Kumasi. People went there for Accra go say it's not about Ghana. It's about Kumasi. You see how self-centered, how wicked, demonic they are. Leave them, they let them perish. They are wicked set of demonic black demons everywhere. Rubbish people. And the verse anything, anybody when you walk on this self-center, you know if you talk the truth of the matter, I go cause you cause of the generation, and nothing go happen. They mad. What did they worry on yourself? What did they worry on now? What did they worry on? What did they happen for Nigeria? You know they provoke una. You know they provoke una. Abuna they backward and useless on that level, not they provoke una. Who are these Nigerian government that have been deceiving us for more than 60 years? Who are these people? Because you refuse to wake up. Opportunity when you get and they don't tag you, talk and hoodlums. For food when they're supposed to give you for free, then they shoot you in the journal and they don't play the talk rubbish. They divert your attention. IPOB because they chase for social media. They tell you to go after your government. You are chasing after IPOB. Chasing after one can you they might say I cannot talk, you they crazy. Make I not talk, make I watch you. They mad where. Every so-called Niger Delta, the last time when I check, as it is today now, we are going to single out all those wicked supporters, all those demonic individuals in that time. We are going to fish all those Alanda that are refused to fight for a common fight, all those all those rubbish cuttings individuals that refuse to fight and let us be free. We are going to fish all of you and deal with you so messy. They mad way. People they talk because they say, and I'm using this video to say it now. Because they are the verse, I can say anything I want to say, and nothing will happen. I'm using this video to say what I want to say. If our leader come outside again, doesn't that someone politician good, I'm gonna get very angry. I'll get very angry. Any politician, all of them are useless. I'll get very angry. Let them speak whatever they want to speak. Let them speak it and go inside their heart. That is their business. The all of them are useless. What kind of nonsense is this? What kind of nonsense is this? You have a politician, you don't have good road. You have a politician, you don't have nothing in your region. You have a politician that will be representing you for over 60 years. You have nothing good. Not even water. Not even road, not even school. We are all dying in the Mediterranean Sea, dying in desert. Dying in Saudi Arabia. Any day our leader will measure, say, and you see, this one, I will get very angry. I will get very angry. Yes, Omoru, you die your picking picture when I dey see, so now you go die for your head. I don't tell you, now so it be. No level. I don't tell you, now so it be. That your picking picture when I dey see, so you go, this night, she go, if in a man, if in a woman, you go sleep, you no go wake up, you go die for your hand, you go dey shed tears on top of the picking. You go die for your hand, you go put am for your lap, you go dey shed tears on top of the picking. Let me tell you, go and mark this thing when I tell you so, that your picking go die for your hand, you go dey shed tears on top of the picking. Because you are wicked. Una dem wicked. Una dem wicked. I don't see newspaper now they publish because that woman come out for that place. They don't know say that woman now na Igbo woman. They don't come out now they can't say the woman pikin not die. Say the woman pikin die for accident. Person where we see say he and girlfriend they dance on that very day for Lekki when they for set stage. When we see Koro before the boy die. Nigerian government don't change the narrative. Now they let us know say that pikin die for accident. They not be shooting. When we see bloodshed everywhere for the body. Matilda, you are a woman. Let me see what Matilda talk. You talk too much. They fix battery for you. Now your mama now they talk too much, Matilda. Now your mama now they talk too much. And for this simple reason when you talk, say when they say everything will happen for Nigeria, you know they pay you and they vex you. And I believe say you not from Edo, or you not from Urobo, or you not from the coastal region, or you not from Yoruba, or anywhere where you did. I'm letting you know if you're a woman, you never born pikin and they kill other people children for us. You know they concern, you know they pay you, your womb go block. Your womb go block. Any man when there with you, any day when any man near you, the penis not go raise again. Any man when near you from today go, Matilda, any man that nears you from today go, in manhood go perish. Any man that goes close to you, the blood of innocent citizens that are being killed in Nigeria on daily basis is not hurting you. Probably you are in diaspora. Any man that near you, your penis not go raise again. All men go to run from you. Your womb go block. You not go fit bear children again for your life. You will be so miserable and useless. Yes, you will be so miserable and useless. Matilda, Omoruji, all of you are ready for now. The people be say me I get strength to deal with all of you. I get the strength. Now they mad. I get the strength to deal with all of you. Now they mad where we're useless set of people. Backward people. Poverty. Prostitutes. Now they are changing the narrative. Say the woman now. Say he pikin not die. Say he pikin not die. Say he pikin na accident. Na kill and say no be army wey go fire for Lekki toll gate. Na kill the woman. The news is trending everywhere because he say he can't call the pikin name. Say the pikin name could be Igbo name, something like that. The pikin, the woman na Igbo. In pikin na Igbo. Na English name the pikin be the bear. Now made the picture be the trend before. They never know the real place where the pikin come from. And soon as the woman come out and say that one not be real pikin name. Say see pikin name and watch the video live. Now the thing doctor say Nigerian debunked the news that the woman child did not die, not the army that killed him. He died in accident. Somebody we saw for bloody lights dancing in Lekki Bridge, toll gate. There is a conspiracy against Igbo people in Nigeria. I don't care about what you say, what you think, what you do. I'm not saying nobody go fit do me anything. I'm saying my own, and nothing go happen. Not today, not tomorrow. Heaven no go for nothing. They happen. Not today, not tomorrow. And they tell you the truth of the matter. There's conspiracy against you. You must do something about it. They hate you for no reason, and you are trying to save them. You are trying to save these monkeys, these monkey and baboons. They don't want to be free. And for that reason, your youth have been going down on a daily basis. You want to continue like that? You want to continue like that with these demons? Now, after all Nigerians saw it that the people that was, as in the people when they kill on that very day, they name all of them come outside for that place. This woman, I come outside, and that woman, we call the video, that woman, that they say, the boy that died, instead of her to say, one of the people that was shot in Lekki Toll Gate, the amount that they here, he said the boy that died. As if the boy naturally died. As if the boy that he was sick, probably he has an epileptic or in slump and died. He not use the narrative of the boy that was one of the boy that was shot, fired on Lekki Toll Gate. As soon as the woman say, the picture called the trend, the video the trend. As soon as they go, the thing don't go reach full and caliphate because the doctor say, Omotola don't come outside. I say anybody when no say if pikin die, make it come outside. As soon as they say they interview the woman call the black say the pikin name na Chukudi or something like that. Then they come outside. Nigeria debunk it. Say which Nigeria debunk it? Where are the Nigerians that debunk it? Where are the Nigerians that debunk it? Where are the Nigerians that debunk it? The fact that that boy did not die in Lekki Bridge. Where are the Nigerians? Moronic everywhere. No wonder they keep people for Benue State. You there for Edo State, you quiet. You there for Delta State, you quiet. All of them are quiet for that place. Maybe wicked people. You are not desire to share a country with. You go to where and bought watches. Morons everywhere. Demonic set of people. Backward people. Home and abroad, you are the most treated lesser human being. Home and abroad. Home and abroad because you are in Nigeria. You are the most treated lesser human beings. People that have their children in diaspora, their children are schooling in diaspora, their children are living extravagant life, living, enjoying their life. You there, they defend them, may go kill you. You don't remember saying that they put your bag for ground, neck us on the head. You don't remember again because you wait an Igbo man. Make all that fire all of them for that place. Rubbish set of people. Wicked are your brother. And wicked to be your brother. Is wicked your brother? Wicked they cause Nnamdi Kanu. Does it stop him? Does it change the fact he wants put your back down and deal with it? Does it change the fact? And calling me where Osuma Dafod you camp. You forget. Maybe I'll go and look for the video again and be sharing it everywhere because you are a moronic, you are a fool. You don't know your oppressors. You don't know your oppressors. Yes, agree. I not deny, but your mama too now your mama be too. I not to say I not be in. I not to say I not be ashawo. Me na ashawo, me agree. But at least ashawo for Bible now, not be ashawo go. Those of now when they carry Bible up and down, all those black demons when they carry Bible up and down. So not be ashawo go use in tears clean Jesus Christ. Then you know the reason they make reference to them. But your mother too is ashawo now. That is why you know say to another person na ashawo. If you call say ashawo, I can say oh that your mother is ashawo too. You don't know. You moron. Listen, just sit down and listen to me. I told you I won't talk to now. Now not too much. Useless set of people, backward people. Now they crazy. Who na help? Now that now from the south, now the whole things for start. That they open everywhere. It start from Edo State. Obaseki go open Oko prison. You go open Oko prison, finish. Make for see where you go for tag and say, make for go for put coffee. They put coffee. They stop. They say they no want to make anybody come outside. The youth say they not go agree. They go see come outside. They go see come outside. Obaseki now go bring army come. Day before yesterday, 3 Edo State youth was shot dead in blood daylight. People they watch the video and we saw it with our eye. I be 4. They can't carry 3 dead body come. We can't remain 1 for grand. Obaseki now send they come. Army come. Is the chief security of Edo State. Under his watch, 4 Edo State youth was killed. It's just one election that Edo youth both home and abroad, as in supported him. I know how I was shouting on top of my voice. Obaseki talk back. After I talk back support I gave to that moronic of a man, today is killing my people. You want me to keep quiet because you are eating diaspora, or you the loyal to my or good they kill you, they mad. They crazy way. Rubbish set of people, backward people. Instead of you to use the opportunity that you get to do something, they're tagging you terrorists all over the social media. So if you don't go there and do what they're supposed to do, you never play the talk rubbish. They channel your energy, go they fight another thing. Channel your energy and be fighting rubbish. So they repost rubbish when we get a post after you insult your Oba finish. Insult your Oba. You don't remember again. Self-centered people, wicked people with small mind, jealousy minds. You go for Sultan Osoko, they go the shake and you don't remember again. You didn't remember again. Politicians and find all of you captive. You could do your traditional rule like you do. Call rich local government shema. They will only remember you when the time of election. Una like the way every road good for the south. Those of you who follow Mediterranean Sea and desert come, una travel from Aduwawa. Because of us, we follow Aduwawa. You follow Aduwawa through to Kanu, to all those places. You not see road. You not see road. You not see road. You not see road. You not see the way road there. 2 double, 4 double lane, road full everywhere. No common gallop. You didn't see it. See your road. See road when they show every day. See road when they show every day for the south. See road when they show every day. You gonna go from abroad to this. Una be very useless people. I can't cause una any. Una be useless people. Una be wayward. Una be miserable people. Una be backward black demons. Una be useless people. Fulani come and take over everywhere. Fulani come and take over everywhere. Take over everywhere and take it and go. Me and a woman, I can go and marry China and follow China people and go. What is wrong with you? I can follow China, follow Indian people, follow everybody, anybody, and just get out. Do not come to Africa again. Rubbish set of black demons, wayward, backward demons. What is wrong with you? The job you are supposed to be doing, I'm there doing it. Instead of you to be grateful, you are there talking rubbish. I'm a woman who go and marry Chinese man, go they eat frog for their place. Till they worry you. There's no time, there's no point of telling you wake up or not wake up, do this and do what pleases you. Just do what pleases you because you are a moron. You cannot force us to water and go and drink water. Thank you very much, my people. Now this very small message now I get for these people this evening. Who know Wike, let them go and tell Wike. Who know Wike, go and tell Wike. Say Wike is too small. And whosoever that is there supporting Wike, jumping up and down, we are going to fish all of you out and deal with you. Nobody is forming Nigeria Delta with you. I'm an Urobo woman. I'm telling you today. Nobody is forming Nigeria Delta with you. I'm from Orogun, from Uwanogo family for Otoro. Go there and ask. Go there and ask. I'm from Uwanogo family for Orogun, Otoro Orogun, Ugeli North. Now I come from. Nobody is forming Nigeria Delta with you. Not today, not tomorrow, not forever. They're mad way. Idiotic people. Tell Wike, you should get prepared. If we can be dealing with Nigerian government, if we have dealt with Nigerian government and we rather than useless, we have dealt with Britain. Who is Wike? Wike is a tout. Ogogoro drink can I be? He's a tout. It's too small. Wike too small. It's too small. Wike too small to bring division in this struggle. Wike too small. All of them are too small. Rubbish set of people. Thank you very much, my wonderful people. Until I come on our way again tomorrow afternoon. One love, my people. One love, my people. One love. Whatever we are saying is for our own benefit. But as this demonic individual black mocking, the only race that was conquered all over the world, the only race that was taken for slavery in America, the only race that was taken to Britain for slavery, to enslave themselves for 400 years, till now they never see wake up. They are still serving the interests of white supremacy. So let them perish now. Let them perish. It's not my business. Let them perish. Since they want to continue serving the interests of white supremacy, let them perish there. After all, different revolutionary have come and Tom Sakara and many others people. Fela sang, he sing before he died of them. They put this on. Now who won't kill ourselves for these demons, this black monkey. People when they describe like black, Do you know what is the meaning of black? If you drink see black tea for drink, do you know the meaning? It's terrible. Disaster. Disaster. Now you want to kill yourself. Let everybody go and enjoy their life. Let them go live this black demon in Africa. Let them perish in that place. Rubbish people. Thank you very much, my wonderful people. Please, I will use this medium to tell every one of us, go subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow this page, Omote Biafra. The link is up there. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Brother David, I see your subscription. God bless you. Thank you so much. And also open your Twitter account. Open your Twitter account. That they send army to, those of us when they watch now, that they send army to Igbo land. And not therefore, that they send army to Igbo land now because they come outside to open your eye to the reality of ground. My people, more than the reason, no. More than the reason, no. Benin people say, I'm when more than the reason, no. What the Nigerian government they do so, whether it good or more than the reason, no. Everybody come outside go protest now. Igbo land don't call different though. Everybody come outside now to go and protest now. Igbo land don't call different now. They won't kill everybody for that place. They don't send army go everywhere and shocking everybody because they say they're not back down for this protest for making NSAS and police brutality now. They won't deploy army now to Ebonyi State. Today as we me and you now they speak now. They go to keep people for there. And Nigerian media not go carry ammo. Nigerian media not go carry am. If you cannot show love to your fellow brothers and sisters who they share the same country with, what is the essence of sharing country? Is it not better for them to go? I will fight for Igbo if they today say our leader verse. You don't want Biafra. Let everybody go their separate way. I will stand and fight for Igbo nation, even if I will not. If I even choose not to go to Igbo land for one day, because I want to go and marry Chinese man. I don't want to come to Africa again. I'm going to Chinese or Japan. I'm going there. Now too much. They are bringing army now. They are bringing army. They are bringing army to go and kill all of them in that place, and you will all be silent. When I go vote for me, they say, "It don't do now. The rest people don't enter us. Wait till they wait for Mona enter us too. Mona enter us too. I don't know wait till I go talk. Una the year and now. That is why I go swear. I will continue to swear Besu, swear Ogun, swear Amadioa, swear everything they give now because I be black marking. I'm not coming back to that country again. I'm going to China. I'm going to China. Thank you very much, my people. I love you all so much. Those who love freedom, those that are agitating for freedom, I love you all so much, and I'll continue to the love now. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Omote Biafra. Omote Biafra. Thank you so much. I look forward to see you now tomorrow. Go open Twitter account. Open Twitter account to expose Nigerian government. Go open Twitter account to retweet, to tweet White House, tweet everywhere tweetable, so that to expose all the killings when they want to the kill from today for Ebonyi State. Thank you very much. I look forward to see you now tomorrow. One love, my people. Bye. Star Rose, I see you.